Okay, I've been meaning to make a video on music theory, and here goes nothing. Okay, let me break this down for you so you don't even have to have an instrument around to start thinking about music. Okay, we're gonna just analyze music theory using the major scale. Okay, so let's go whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Okay, so we're gonna start on C. Whole step up from C is D. Whole step up from D is E. Half step up from E is F. Whole step up from F is G. Whole step up from G is A. Whole step up from A is B. And then half step up from B is C. So let's get these guys numbers right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it's not in line, it's okay. So now we're going to take 1, 3, 5. That's the formula you need to make a C major chord. So C, E, G. That's it. Those are the 3 notes that make up the C major chord. Okay, now apply that same 1, 3, 5 formula. Notice how they're stacking thirds. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See how that happens? They stack thirds to get the C major. They stack 2 thirds, right? One on top of the other. So let's apply that same formula, but starting from D. So you get D, F, A, right? D, F, A. See how symmetrical music is? And this is a D minor. Now, if you apply that starting from E, the notes will be E, G, B, right? Because look, E, G, B, stacking thirds. And then you'll get an E minor. Okay, now moving on, this is gonna get you F, A, C, and then that's gonna be an F major. And then I can tell you this is G, B, and D, and that's going to get you a G major, and then A, C, E, that's going to be an A minor, and then this is a B, D, F, B, D, F, and that's going to give you a B diminished. Now, I just want you to know, quick recap, you first write out the C major scale, then you give them numbers, then you use the 1, 3, 5 formula, but you use it from every alphabet, every note of the C major scale. These are the chords you're gonna get. These are the only chords in the key of C major. These are the only chords that are diatonic to the key of C major. That's how you know, okay? Hope that helps.